Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can fly a helicopter in Battlefield 6. So it is not that hard to do, just with W you ascend it, with S you descend in the altitude, and with A, as you can see, you turn your axis to one side and to the other side. And if you want to go forward, just click W and move your mouse as joystick to the forward. And if you want to turn it right, just hold it on A and on your mouse. So it is not that hard to do. This is with number 3 on your keyboard, you basically drop a flares. So if you're getting targeted, use that. Of course, you can aim it like this, as you can see, and you can turn it assist on. Let me show you how I can do that. So basically you get an idea how you can control a helicopter. With number 4 on your keyboard, you can change missiles that you want to shoot or the fire mode, and that's pretty much it. You can also take a friend like this, and you'll be on the shooter side, so you can ride it with a friend, as you can see, like that. So that's how you control a helicopter in Battlefield 6. It is not that hard to do. Just simply try to go into practice mode, learn it, and then fly it. So if this video is helpful, please make sure to subscribe to guide to everything, and we see you in the next one. Peace.